Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Oil, Euro, and a couple earnings video recap for August 10th, 2012. I heard something later in the day from Bloomberg that said this was the lowest volume week since 1995. Look at these bars. Very, very small, tight trading range. Today we had about a 10-point trading range. A couple of these days have been 7-point trading ranges. I'm not sure where volume's drying down. But, you know, in the live trading room, I've talked about being on the sidelines for a little while. You know, try and take trades with better conviction. The conviction just isn't there right now. If you looked at the minis right now, we are making higher highs and higher lows, but not by very much. I am actually short the mini ES futures. I came in short them today. I took off half my position at 13.93 half. At the end of the day, I reshorted them. Basically, you know, I'll have a stop. Either I can have a stop above this level, which is a 14.1175. Or I could have a stop above the March level, which is 14.1975. I just think there's more to the downside. You know, we continue to go higher. The VIX continues to go lower. So it looks like the market wants to go up. But with light volume, we can have a day where we're down 300 points in a heartbeat. So that's why I took it. Let's look at the 12-minute chart today. And I got to make sure my 12-minute setting is on the right interval. So we opened up this morning. Like I said, high or low 80% of the time is within the first hour. Low of the day at 13.92. 13.92, a little bit of buying pressure into the cloud. Technical buy setup here at 13.98. I actually got short at 13.99 half. Had a stop at 175. Took another short at 175. Took off half my position. I'm leaving the other half on. So I reshorted the market towards the end of the day. But just buying pressure all day in the minis. You know, very, very challenging, very tough to trade this market. Like I said, in equity options, I try to play on the sidelines a little bit more than I'm used to. From my point of view, I just think that we are uncertain. Uncertainty isn't good. You know, I want to trade trending markets. I don't want to trade trading range markets. Every single day this week has been a trading range market, and every single day for 5 straight days, if the market is open, it was being bought. Let me look at oil real quick. I had a really nice trade in oil on the 5. And I did make money in futures today. And I looked at the oil setup on the cloud. I didn't take this one here, but I did get short here. Usually what I look at when I don't try to take trades in the morning, when the cloud starts to appear, right? So 92.95, I would have had a risk down to 92.45, so 50 cents. I would have had to get 50 cents to the upside, which would have put me at 93.45 to the upside. We just haven't seen that level today, so I didn't want to take it. Here we had a short setup, and I shorted 92.78. Where we've seen levels down here before. We've seen all this action, price action down here before. So I shorted 92.78. I had a 93.05 stop, so risking 27 cents. I took target 1 at 92.51, and then I took target 2 at 92.13. I got pretty lucky, actually. I had 92.13 as, whereas the buying pressure of these tails from down here, initially I had it as 92.01. Then I raised it to 92.13. So I got target 1 and target 2. Good for 1% of my book returns on a short oil trade. I didn't take this one as the bar was developing. I had a buy set up at 92.92. I would have had a risk to below the bar. I would have risked 30 cents, and I would have been in the trade for 40 cents, 50 cents to the upside. I didn't take that one. But the cloud working once again very, very well on oil on the 5-minute. I talk about it in the live trading room. I've been trying to take all my trades on the cloud with oil, with euro, and with the minis. Last one I want to look at, I want to look at the euro. And then I made sure my timetable, so I traded euro on the 240 on the 24-hour bar. This is what our CMT Alex Bernal set us up with. And it's funny, as this was developing, I was getting a short signal here, but the bar didn't close. And then I was getting a buy setup here, but the bar didn't close. So now we're in a cloud. I am short the euro. I've been short it for a while, 126.30. I continue to be short it. I continue to short it on rallies. Now we're into the cloud of this 123 level. You know, it's interesting for me to see where the euro is going lower. As we're grinding lower in the euro, the stock market's going up. Doesn't make much sense. I would think that if the stock market's trading 1,400, we would probably be around 126 in the euro. 2 trades I want to look at for earnings that I traded very well. One was Nordstrom. I sold the Condor. I sold the 55, 52.5 put spread and the 57.5, 60 call spread. And I talked about this in the live trading room, how I wanted to sell the movement. I wanted to get long. So this is not over till next week, and no trade is closed until no trade is profitable until it's closed. But this is a great trade in Nordstrom. I had another one I talked about in the live trading room, JCPenney, also selling a condor. This was the 1918 put spread and also the 28-29 call spread. Condor, 25-26 call spread. Condor for 35 cents. So these both went down about half in value. So very nice trading for earnings. I go over the HIM Rivet trading plan, the Oak Rivet trading plan, and now we have the Week Rivet trading plan, which I just instituted today, which is trading weekly options. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini oil, euro, and earnings update for August 10th, 2012. We'll run it back on Monday, and I'll see you guys next week.